Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change and actually how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, which is great. So just make sure that you've got one here, and then tap on this four dots icon in the let's say right lower corner. So the third option is the timer. So just tap on it. And in this device, we've got 4 options. So off, 2, 5, and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option which you'd like to use. So let me choose 10 seconds. As you can see, this icon will change slightly. Moreover, it is visible right here. So we can quickly check whether we've got the timer set or not without the need to enter the settings. Moreover, before we will start, I also wanted to draw attention to this icon because of the light conditions around the camera, the device decided that it needs the night mode to actually take a photo. So if you don't want to have an additional countdown, and if the light conditions are not the best, I highly recommend to quickly turn it off just by tapping on it. Just mark off, because thanks to it, you will have only this, for example, 10 seconds delay, not a 10 plus 7. So now all you need to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5, or 3 or 2, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. If you want to, you can tap on this timer icon here and quickly turn it off by tapping on this option without any kind of countdown. And from now on, our device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.